Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present this good size 2-bedroom flat in Wellington, complete with garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the 2-bedroom flat in Wellington. If you are interested in viewing the property or making an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.